Introducing Sam Wiener invention, security keyless lock. Smart security keyless lock will secure your door lock when you at home from intruders. You can protect multiple your doors with many of these locks from intruders while you're at home, and especially at night when you and your family are asleep. Knowing your door secure from intrusions, you will always have your peace of mind. With Sam Wiener invention, intruder cannot open the door from outside and go in. This will be protected by Sam Wiener security keyless lock. Samco security keyless lock. Keyless lock made from Velcro, and it is one Velcro we are attaching male to the door and another is female outside of key lock. Just when we don't need it, it's hanging like this, and when we need to use, we close the door, and now we have a special loop. We putting on a bolt and attaching male and female together. Now this is impossible to turn from outside from intruder to open bolt lock. This is bolt lock will be protecting you from intruder coming in, and you could use many locks, keyless lock, as many doors you have. You could order as many you need. In package it is set of 4. When we don't need to use, it is hanging, and when we need to use, you just take it out, putting on bolt handle and putting together by Velcro. Now you have secure, nobody could open the door. Just enjoy, sleep well, and stay happy. Invented by Sam Wiener.